back to my channel, and I'm at it again with another video. And a happy Friday. I am happy to get through the week. I hope you are too. If this is not your Friday, I'm sorry. It's my Friday and I'm so happy because it's been such a long week. But anyway, as it was requested in one of my previous videos to do a tutorial on this look, and I did. Today's video is the tutorial for this look, as you saw from the title. And I also want to make a short announcement. I want to say thank you for all the support and the love that was shown on my Monday's video, and I hope all the new subscribers, welcome. My name is Lou, and I love makeup, and my channel is a little bit of everything that has to do with makeup and me, and I hope you enjoy it. Welcome. And yeah, anyways, I just wanted to say thank you so much for the support and the love with all my videos and on my channel. If you guys don't follow me yet on all my social medias, I am Chat with Lou in all my social medias, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And yeah, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload, and hit that like button if you like this video. And leave in the comments below what other looks you guys want me to recreate or do tutorials on, and I will get those videos out for you. Alright guys, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so let's get into the video. You guys already know I start out with my eyes, and that is the main part of the video. So I will go ahead and zoom. I'll zoom you guys in very close so you guys can see what I'm doing. And so I am going to go ahead and do one eye on camera, and then I'll finish the other eye off camera like I usually do. And then I'll come back when I do my whole face and finish this video. And in today's video, we are using the Soft Glam palette, and I will show you guys which colors I will be going into. This is a beautiful palette, so sorry. Yeah, let's get started. Alright, you already know that I go in with my Urban Decay primer potion. Oh, it's a little bit too much. A little bit too much. Oh well. We shall work with it. Alright, I prime my lids both at the same time. And let's go ahead and go in with a nice fluffy brush, and we are going to go in shade Rustic. Bear with me here. We're going to go in shade Rustic, which is this one. And I will be looking down at my mirror, and we're just going to blend this out. We are going to go straight into that deep color, and we're just blending. And we are just blending it out this way. as you can see, I have blended and I blended and blended. Now I will be going over the edge of this to make it softer so it's not so harsh, that harsh line there. But right now we're gonna go ahead and cut the crease with my Makeup Forever Conceal and Define concealer. You guys already know that that is one of my favorite concealers, and with what I cut the crease. And I'm gonna go in with this small Morphe E35 brush, and we're gonna go ahead and cut the crease. And I'm sorry, something keeps itching my nose. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the crease. I have hooded eyes, so I do cut the crease further up, and you will see that. And sometimes my eyes are uneven, but you know, we just go with it. I have to cut the crease higher because of how my hooded eyes are. And remember, we're gonna bring this out this way. And you know, sometimes I can do that great, or sometimes it turns out nice, and then sometimes it just doesn't, but that's okay. We will be going in with a different shade once we cut the crease. So I will be fast forwarding this part so that you guys can see. Guys, so as you can see, I cut my crease and I cut it all the way out, and I winged it out with the same brush. I just use the ends of it and then I just winged it out. And now we're gonna put down the color, which is this color called Dusty Rose in the Soft Glam palette. Dusty Rose, which is more of a soft purple, I would say. And that's the one we're gonna go into with this brush. This is the Jaclyn Hill brush, which is the JH42. And we're just gonna go in and we're just gonna pat it in for now, and then we'll see how it goes. guys, so as you can see, I went ahead and filled it in with that color, the Dusty Rose in the Soft Glam palette. I filled that in. Now we are going to go into with GERARD Cosmetics Hydro Matte in shade Boss Lady. I don't know if you can see that. We will be we will be doing the wing with this shade. So let's get to it. As you can see, I finished the wing, and it is a little hard to do a wing with a liquid lipstick. However, I used this brush, which is the BH, one of the BH collections brush, and I did it that way. Now we're gonna go ahead and add lashes and then complete the look, and I will be doing my other eye off camera, and then I'll be back to finish the look. Okay, so this is the complete look, and I went ahead and finished my eyelashes. I finished the other eye off camera. I put my lashes on, and I did the rest of my face off camera. And yeah, this is how I created this look. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned some new tricks. I am very simple. I try to explain as best as I can. I'm not really good at tutorials, but I try to make easy looks for beginners, because I am a beginner. So if you choose to recreate this look, let me know, or tag me in a picture or something. Let me know in the comments below if you like this look, and if you like tutorials. Also let me know in the comments below. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for your support, and I love you all. Bye.